Welcome back to another game of Which Would You Choose? First up, 2 marinara sauce slathered chicken cutlets get topped with pecorino and a healthy amount of mozzarella cheese, then slid into the broiler to look like this. Then it all slides onto a plate. It gets finished with some freshly grated Parmesan cheese and basil. Or maybe you want this. Pounded and salt and pepper seasoned chicken get covered in flour, then drenched in their egg yolk, flipped, and dropped into a buttered up skillet on high heat. They get flipped, hit with a squeeze of lemon, some white wine, lemon shavings, and a little more butter to look like this. Both pieces of chicken get plated. They serve this with spaghetti that's tossed in that delicious white wine buttery lemon broth and some Parmesan cheese. Finished with that broth, roasted lemons, and parsley. These are both from Marinara Pizza in New York City.